Hi there, I'm Mark. I'm a digital artist. I've been using Photoshop for about 8 years and I've done so many projects that involves photography and art and other projects which I have done with Photoshop, and that leads me to teaching. And I get to understand that these days it is very easy to grab your cameras and take photos. But have you asked yourself this question? How can you make this photo look attractive to your viewers? The first thing that comes to your mind is by retouching the photo. And how can you do that? By making use of frequency separation. Now, the big question is, what if you don't know how to make use of frequency separation? Well, my friend, this course is here to take you through the process of retouching your photo with frequency separation. And the good thing about this class is that you don't need to know how to make use of Photoshop, because it is absolutely friendly to beginners and whoever it is that you are using Photoshop. Even if you're just installing Photoshop for the first time or you are just buying the software for the first time, this course is really for you, because it is really going to take you through the whole process, of which it's going to get you started on how you can make use of frequency separation to properly retouch your photo and present it to your viewers. That it's really going to make them wow. So I hope to see you guys in this class, and I hope you grab a lot from this class, and see you guys in the next lesson.